The intelligent speed assist warning beeps on the Skoda Octavia are constant and impossible to ignore. In this video, we'll walk through how to permanently silence them using a beep-away USB config. We'll use a 2025 Skoda Octavia as our example, but the process is similar for many cars. Beep-away generates a VIN-matched configuration file to stop the annoying warning beeps. Everything else in your car keeps working as before. The home page shows the 4-step process. Select your car, enter your VIN, load to USB, and plug it in. Scroll down and select Skoda. Tap Show More if you don't see your brand. Beep-away supports most modern car makes with ISA warning chimes, not just the ones shown. The same steps work for every supported manufacturer. Next, choose your specific model from the grid. We'll select the Octavia. Every model follows the same configuration steps. Your Skoda Octavia is confirmed and ready for configuration. The process is fully reversible and will not affect your vehicle warranty. Create your account to generate your config file. Enter your name, email, and password. Then accept the terms of service and privacy policy. You're signed in automatically and taken straight to the Configure wizard. After signing in, the Configure wizard opens on Select Vehicle. Choose 2025 for your Skoda Octavia. Then tap Next to enter your VIN. Enter your vehicle identification number so Beep-away can tailor the config file. On a Skoda, the VIN plate is usually at the driver's side windscreen or door jamb. It must be exactly 17 characters, letters and numbers only, no I, O, or Q. Beep-away is creating a personalized config file matched to your VIN. This stops the annoying warning beeps on your exact car. Generation usually completes within 30 seconds. Open My Configs from the dashboard sidebar to track your order. Pending means your file is still being prepared. Click View Config to continue when your file is ready. Your order is ready for your Skoda Octavia 2025. You'll receive a personalized configuration file and a step-by-step installation guide. The config is locked to your VIN for your protection. Download your configuration file, Skoda Octavia 2025, ISA config file, personalized for your VIN. Also download the installation guide PDF for step-by-step instructions. Save both files on your computer. You'll load them onto USB in the next steps. Format your USB drive as FAT32 or exFAT for compatibility with your car. You need at least 1 GB of free space. Select Quick Format and click Start to prepare the drive. Copy Skoda Octavia 2025 ISA config file to the root of your USB drive, not inside a folder. The drive should show only your config file at the top level. Safely eject the drive from your computer before taking it to the car. Take your prepared USB stick to the car. Start your vehicle or switch to accessory mode so the infotainment system is on. The USB port is usually in the center console or front armrest. Insert the USB stick into your car's USB port. The config file is tailored to your vehicle's board computer and VIN number. Within seconds, the annoying warning beeps stop. Like all new Skoda models, your 2025 Octavia comes with intelligent speed assist that warns you whenever it thinks you're over the limit. It rearms with every drive and often misreads signs, leading to near-constant speed warning beeps. Beep-away silences these specific beeps permanently, while all other essential vehicle functions remain completely unaffected. The Beep-away config loads directly from the USB stick. It does not flash or rewrite your car's firmware. Simply remove the USB stick at any time, and your factory warning sounds will return immediately. While we used a Skoda Octavia in this demonstration, the same Beep-away steps apply to any supported car. Owners of many different brands are experiencing the exact same ISA warning beep problem. If you drive a 2025 Skoda Octavia, you're not alone. Owners everywhere describe the same relentless ISA warning beeps. Forum discussions and review comments highlight beeps for even slight overspeeds and settings that reset with every ignition cycle. That's why so many are looking for a lasting fix, and we'll address some common questions next. Beep-away loads a reversible configuration from the USB stick only while it's plugged in. Remove the stick, and your car instantly reverts to its factory settings. Nothing is permanently altered. If warranty terms are critical for your lease or country, please review your specific documentation. Yes, 2025 Skoda Octavia owners follow the exact same beep-away process you just watched. To double-check compatibility before ordering, simply enter your VIN on beepaway.com. You'll need a computer, a USB stick, and about 10 minutes of your time at home. No dealer visits, no complex coding tools, and no special cables are required. You can select your car, enter your VIN, and download your custom config directly from Beepaway. Search Google for Beepaway, or go straight to beepaway.com to get started. This guide and configuration are intended for use on private property only. Beepaway is not licensed, certified, or approved for use on public roads or in moving traffic.